In this video, I'm gonna show you exactly how you can link your Squarespace domain name to your Shopify store. Now this is gonna be a complete step-by-step tutorial so you can follow along. The first thing you want to do before starting is make sure you're logged into both Shopify and Squarespace on the same browser. So let's start on Shopify. Make sure you're at the dashboard, and we now want to go to settings, which is all the way at the left bottom corner right here. So we click on that. And now from here, we want to hover over to domains right here. So we click on that as well. And now we see our current domain name, which is a My Shopify domain name, a subdomain. And right here, we want to click on Connect Existing Domain. So we click on that. Now we want to enter in the domain name. So I go back to Squarespace. Then I go to domains right here. And then this is the domain name that I'm going to add. It's called howtosimple.store. So we can click on it. And now from here, I'm going to select it, copy it, and I'm going to paste it into Shopify, just like that. Then click on next. And now, as we can see, it gives us instructions on what to do. So first, we want to make sure we logged into Squarespace, which we are. And then secondly, we want to add these DNS records to make the connection between Shopify and Squarespace. So we copy this value right here. Now we go to Squarespace, and on your domain name, you want to go to DNS at the left right here. And we want to add this record. So we go all the way down and we click add record right here. Then we need to verify our password. And then for the host, we're going to say @ and then for the type, we're going to say a. Priority is not relevant, TTL is fine, and then IP address, we simply paste in the IP address that we have from Shopify, and now we click on save. And if you get this message, custom record not saved, this could be because it's clashing with an existing host and type that's already called @. So for that, we want to scroll up, and as you can see, there are many of them right here by default from Squarespace. So we simply want to delete this and click on delete. And now they should all be gone, which they are. So we go back down, we click on add record, and we do the same thing. And now from here, we want to click save once again. And now, as we can see, the custom record has been added because we have removed the existing ones. Now we go back to Shopify, and we need to do one more, which is a CNAME record. So let's copy the value, shops.shopify.com. Right here, we want to see if that's already an existing CNAME record, which there isn't. So we click add record, host www, type is going to be CNAME, priority not relevant, TTL correct, and then we paste in the value shops.myshopify.com and we click save, just like that. And now, as we can see, both custom records have been added. From here, we can go back to Shopify, and then here we click I updated DNS records. And now it's going to check if we actually did it and if it can make the link between our Squarespace domain name and the hosting on Shopify. Okay, then there we go. It's been a couple of minutes, and as you can see, we got the message DNS records are pointing to Shopify, and the domain is live in all the regions, which is a really good sign. The only thing that can take a little longer is the TLS and SSL certificate for, as they say, secure connections. But now what we can do, we can go back to domain settings right here, and then from here we can see that we have howtosimple.store and www.howtosimple.store. Let's make it primary. So right here, we want to click on change domain type. And you want to make sure that it's set to primary domain. If it isn't, make sure it is set right here. And now let's take a look at the domain name. So for this, I'm going to copy it, just like that, and open up a new incognito window. And then we paste it in right here. And now let's see if we see our Shopify store, and we do. It is password protected, but as we can see, we now did the connection successfully. Now this is everything you need to do. If it doesn't work yet, or if you see an unsecure connection warning, just wait a couple more moments because the certificates still need to be set up. If this video helped you out, please leave a like, please subscribe, and see you next time. Have a good day.